CamScanner to PDF, how to save CamScanner PDF to phone. If you want to save the PDF file from CamScanner app directly to your phone, it is very simple to do so. First of all, let's say that you launch the CamScanner application and then you have scanned a certain document. If now after you've scanned the document, you want to save that document to your device. There are many ways to save it. You can tap the more option here and you'll find all its different options right next to that document. One of those options will be save to gallery. So when you tap on save to gallery, that particular document from the CamScanner will be saved to your gallery. Similarly, let's say you're opening up a new document as well. The case is pretty much the same. You can take a photo or take a document, and after that you've scanned it, tap the check button there, and then you can tap the more option there and you'll find the save to gallery option. This way you will be able to save CamScanner PDF to phone. I hope this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.